This is a complete stock journal plus multi-user portfolio dashboard built in Google Sheets. And yes, you can download it for free. Here is what it can do. So here we are in journal tab, and as you can see, here are some columns, dates where you can journal or log your trades. Then we have sector, then we have symbol or ticker of the company. Here we have company name, then current price, which we are fetching from GoogleFinance, and it's a live current price of the particular stock. Here we have quantity and how much we have paid for per stock, or at which point we sold the stock. And here we have cost when we purchase the stock, and it is also your gain if you have gain or losses. So it's the cost of the trade. And here we have current value, then we have percentage change in the value. Here we can see we have 30,000 profit, and here we have all the calls whether we sold or bought the stock, and our last column is buy. So this is the most important because, as I said earlier, it is a multi-user portfolio tracker. Let's go to our next tab, that's portfolio tab, and here we have our portfolio. We can see we have our tickers, then the user, then sectors, then total by quantity, total sale quantity, net position quantity, average buy price, average sell price, invested value, realized profit and loss, current price, current value, unrealized profit and loss, and total return in percentage. And finally, we have our dashboard. So here we have our multi-user portfolio performance dashboard. So as you can see, on left side we have capital allocation by investor, and on top we have total portfolio value. Here we have performance breakdown, realized per sales, unrealized gain. So here we can see which user has realized profit and unrealized gains, and then we can see here sector wise contribution to the portfolio return. So as you can see, e-commerce and hospitality sector have the maximum return or contribution to the portfolio. And here we have investment growth by investor. Here we can see all the investors, and here we have underperforming holding and top performing holding. And the best part of this that we can filter out based on the user. So let's take Wasim and click on OK. Then Wasim can see his total portfolio value and other metrics in this dashboard. If you are someone who have multiple trading accounts, or you want to have an overview of your family or groups, or if you have group that wants to track their portfolio on Google Sheets, you have to check it out, and it's completely free. To get this template, you just need to go on yogeshshinde.com/template, and you can download this template for free. And if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button so we can create more such videos.